You enjoying your chickies? They're trying to see if they can push you around, ma'am. Making sure I'm not stepping on any birds. Bothers her when they move. Do they keep moving, ma'am? Hey? A dog a few doors down just barks like that. Just does. Letting everybody know it's his yard. Oh, mosquitoes. Some of them love the mosquitoes. Oh, going after Luna's baby. Luna, no butts. No butts, ma'am. The treat dispensers, apparently. Blech. You gonna peck me now? It's not very nice. They're gonna pluck you. She's double coated, so she sheds like a husky. It's chunks, and it never ends. And she's older. She's almost 12, so she doesn't shed gracefully either. So I suspect that once the chickens find out she's clumpy, they'll go nuts. She might let them. She hates being groomed. We call her Peg Pen, after the Charlie Brown character, because she just bolts when she sees the horse brush come out. Drumstick. Do you see the mosquito? She probably does not at all. One of them's like a mosquito. Mosquito assassin. Were you getting a mosquito? Oh. That was Junior. She's gotten sassy as she's gotten older. So Berta is our snuggler. Drumstick. She's a little bit of a bully. She does. As soon as you are within reach, she'll normally go after you. Not like super mean, but like she'll jump on you, peck you. She does calm down. Popcorn. Pretty casual. Very casual bird. Miss Ma'am, she started off being the bossiest. She's the sweetest now. Not snuggly though. Ladybug is the shyest. She's always mostly off on her own. Sometimes her and Berta will hang out. Ow, mosquito bite. Miss Ma'am's like, I'm not going in yet. Mm-mm. So right now I am training the girls to go into the run when I say time to go home. And when it's time to go in the coop for the night, I say good night. And if I'm really mad, I yell, good night, I love you. We just missed Miss Man jumping for mosquitoes. I am being attacked by mosquitoes, but I'm glad the birds are getting some extra vitamins and minerals and proteins and whatever. So I've heard they will dig up my yard quite well, which is nice because this yard needs a redo. We moved into the house in the winter, so I didn't really know the condition of the yard. Didn't really care. You can fix a yard. Sorry, I'm being eaten by mosquitoes. We've got a Lone Ranger somewhere around here. Sometimes they get confused because they'll see their sister through the run, and then they won't understand why they're apart. Okay, time to go home. Time to go home. Ah, mosquitoes. Time to go home. Time to go home. Luna, let her go. Trapped by the nose. Time to go home. 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 Good job. We got everybody 2, 4, 6. Sweet. Anna, I'll be out in a little bit to put them to bed. Here's hoping they put themselves to bed, but I doubt it. I've been told on multiple occasions they will not go to bed until it's dark out, or at least dusk. Ah, another mosquito. But our bylaws are early. They're pretty quiet, so I don't know if it would turn into a thing, but you never know. But also, I would like my birds to get used to going in whenever I tell them to go into the coop. Just another kind of safety thing, because you just never know. Anyways, that's it for today. Nothing exciting, just another trip out.